Oh my goodness. What? That is so much more clear than my glasses. Oh my gosh. If you wear glasses like myself and you want to use the Meta Quest 3, well, you're in luck because you can do a couple things. First thing you can do is what I did originally when I got the headset is use the spacers inside the Meta Quest 3. So there's two buttons on the inside here that you can press down and you can adjust how much space there is between the lens and your face. That lets your glasses sit in there, and these glasses actually worked not too bad for me to use in the Meta Quest 3. But I found an even better option when I found the option to get these Zenni prescription lenses endorsed by Meta. All right, so we're gonna unbox these today and I'm gonna show you what they look like. Let's get it. So the Zenni optical lenses here, made for Meta. These actually came surprisingly fast through the holidays and I am pumped to use them. All right, so when you open it up here, it has a very beautiful packaging. Experience the future sharper than ever. So we are going to get rid of these glasses. All right, here we have our right and left lenses, it looks like, and here we have what seems to be instruction booklet. Let me open that up. Whew. All right, so when we open this up here, it's actually not the instructions, it's the anti-fog coating activation cloth. Very interesting. Anti-fog activator cloth care. Keep dry, do not wash, store in original resealable pouch after each use. This cloth is designed to last approximately 1 year. Lens cleaning and care. Keep lenses free from dirt and oil. Extends anti-fog effect for 3 to 6 months. If lenses are dirty, then wipe with a lens-safe cleaning solution or Zenni's pre-moistened lens wipes or lens spray kit. Then dry with a standard Zenni lens cloth. Reactivate anti-fog properties with the anti-fog activator cloth as needed. Store our lens inserts facing up in their case to prevent scratches. Interesting. So this is how we're going to activate the anti-fog on our lenses. Let's keep that nice and safe. So inside the insert here, there's actually the instructions on inserting a lens into Meta Quest 3. Position your VR headset with lenses facing you. Then align the inserts so that the left or right marks are upright at the bottom of each lens. All right, and then gently push the lens inserts onto the VR lens until you hear a click. Let's see what these are looking like. That is the prescription lens insert here, and this looks to be my right one. And they're gonna line up in here as such. Oh wow, it seems that they banged out that prescription. Let's put that in and let's see. In the box here as well, this looks to be the cleaning cloth as well as where you can store the lenses if you take them out. The first thing I'm gonna do here is take this lens out, and it looks to be a bit of dust on there, so let's just try to wipe that down a bit. Those are looking nice and clean now. There's a little spot here on them. Just trying to take care of that. All right, so this is the anti-fog activator. We will place that on top and give it a little wipe down. These lenses are both scratch resistant and anti-fog. Here we have our headset. We're going to aim to line these up. Here we go. We're gonna line this up here. Looks to be lined up, and then we gotta click it into place. All right, and there we go. That's the click. So we got the first one in there. This is supposed to enhance my experience, so I'm looking forward to using these. All right, so now we got the left one we're gonna take out here. So we'll give these a wipe down as well. Make sure they're all nice and clean, because who wants to see spots? And that looks pretty crispy. All right, so we're gonna take the anti-fog cloth here and we're gonna give it that buffer treatment. Make sure to cover the whole lens here. Perfect. All right, we're gonna toss that back and we're going to install this side now. We'll line it up and then click it to place. Boom. All right, so we clicked both sides in here, and now I'm gonna try this on and see what I see. This is exciting. I'm also sporting my new K4 Boost head strap. Make sure to check that unboxing video out. I'll link it down below. And let's see what we got here. I'm gonna have to adjust the spacer setting too because I'm not using, oh my goodness. What? That is so much more clear than my glasses. Oh my gosh. Wow. And it's so much more comfortable without the glasses because I feel like the bottom here is more locked in, so you actually don't see space coming through your lenses. Wow. Oh my god, that's so cool. I feel like I'm wearing my glasses, but I'm not wearing my glasses. Everything is so crisp here. Amazing. I don't really have to find a sweet spot. It's like anywhere I look, I can see. This is so cool. Wow. Well, first impressions right off the bat, I am definitely going to recommend, if you wear glasses, to try out these Zenni prescription lenses for your MetaQuest 3 headset. That was phenomenal. It felt comfortable and it even looked much clearer than when I'm wearing my glasses in the headset. That was awesome. So a recap, when you order your lenses, you get to put your prescription in online and they will ship you 2 lenses in these pouches right here. They will also ship you a cleaning cloth with a case for your lenses, which is this guy right here. Comes with a nice magnetic seal. And then lastly, you will receive, depending on what coating you pick, I chose the anti-fog coating because I don't really like when the lenses fog up if I'm playing anything to do with fitness and it starts to get hot and sweaty. So here is the anti-fog activator cloth that you will receive, and there you have it. The prescription lens for the MetaQuest 3 is a vibe. Definitely recommend it. If you found this video helpful, press the subscribe button. Look out for more future unboxings or more accessories that you can pair with your MetaQuest 3 or for any other tech related content, as I love to relay what I learn onto you guys so that you can do the same thing and see if things work for you or not. Leave a comment down below if you want to see anything else pertaining to the MetaQuest 3. I will be doing more videos using it. I'm happy that you could tune in to my video, and I will catch you in the next one.